Now we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the repeat method. We can use it to repeat strings a defined set of times. I'll set up a variable called text. Let me just add hello here. We print it out and this gives us hello one time. But now if we add dot repeat, regular brackets, we can add a set number, for example 3, and this gives us hello 3 times. When you change the text to hello you, we'll get hello you and the exclamation mark 3 times. Comes in handy, especially when you want to repeat something quite a lot, so you don't have to write it over and over again. We make this, for example, 50, you can see how that works. And if I make this 5000, you now get an idea of how much time you can save using this repeat method. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.